This tutorial is sponsored by Skillshare. 2 opart activities using a compass, let's go! These activities are a great way to teach compass skills with purpose, explore geometry and opart all at the same time, and they look ace. There are endless possibilities for great artwork when you combine a compass with an imagination, so make sure to encourage those you teach to experiment without fear of making mistakes, because those mistakes will probably produce more interesting and exciting work. And experimenting and trying new things is part of lifelong learning, which is why I'm delighted to be able to say that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. There are loads of class topics on there, including painting, illustration, animation, digital art, photography, the list goes on. Recently, I have been enjoying a class by the artist Adam Palmiter. It's called Draw Vibrant Rainbow Art, Easy Tips to Create Abstract Masterpieces Using Neon Highlighters. He explores a really effective way to use accessible art supplies to create exciting abstract art. I love how his simple activity produces a sophisticated outcome that builds so many skills, such as colour blending, gesture, composition, and hand control. Honestly, this class is packed full of tips. Now, one of the best things about Skillshare is that it's curated specifically for learning, so you won't find any adverts on there, which is great, and they're always launching new premium classes so you can stay focused and see where your creativity takes you. And for the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description below, you'll receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start to explore your creativity today, which is brilliant.